Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce public cloud spending with VMware, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your current public cloud spending. Analyze your cloud usage patterns over the last few months. Identify the most frequently used services and resources. Look for any underutilized or idle resources that can be downsized or decommissioned. Explore VMware's cloud cost management tools. Utilize VMware Visualize Cloud Management to gain insights into your cloud spending. Implement policies to set budgets and tracks. Leverage automation features to optimize resource usage. Consider using VMware Cloud on AWS for better integration and cost efficiency. Review your cloud provider's pricing models and adjust your architecture accordingly. Evaluate the potential of reserved instances to lower costs for long-term usage. Examine your data transfer costs and identify ways to reduce them. Consolidate your cloud resources to minimize overhead and simplify management. Engage with VMware support for tailored cost-saving recommendations. Establish a regular review process for your public cloud expenses. Encourage teams to adhere to best practices for cloud resource management. Consider training your staff on VMware tools to improve cloud efficiency. By following these steps diligently, you can significantly reduce your public cloud spending with VMware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.